Welcome to this tutorial video. The goal of this video is to show you the age analysis report. The age analysis report indicates all the outstanding accounts for both medical aid and private patients, as well as the ages of those outstanding amounts. A practice can use the age analysis report to assist in following up with the medical aid or the patient on outstanding amounts, as well as to minimize bad debt. First, let us go over how to navigate to the age analysis report. From the diary screen, click on the navigation wheel on the navigation bar. The navigation wheel will open. Click on the report segment. The dashboard screen will open. Click on the Reports tab to navigate to the Reports screen. Please note that this video will follow a previously generated report. For more information on the Reports screen and how to generate a new report, please refer to the Age Analysis Report Settings and Parameters user manual linked in this video's description. Navigate to the desired Age Analysis Report. First, let us go over the information found on the Age Analysis tab. The information displayed is broken up into various partitions, or rather columns. Please note that groupings can be made by clicking and dragging the desired column up to the partition bar. Information will be grouped according to the column chosen. In order to revert back to the original columns, click on the X next to the chosen column name. An entity is a financial organization which has a unique practice number, and the entity column will display the number linked to the current entity being used. The current column will display the total outstanding amount of funds on the debtor account not older than 30 days. The 30 to 270 plus days columns will display the outstanding balance on the debtor's account according to the relevant age. The total amount outstanding on the debtor account after all amounts are calculated together will be displayed under the balance column. An account number linked to the related debtor will display in the account number column. The main member's surname, initial and title will be displayed in the debtor column. When hovering over certain columns, such as the account number or debtor, additional icons will appear for ease of use. Click on the Call Debtor button to open the Call Event Workflow Events screen. For more information on how to call a debtor, please refer to the Call Event user manual linked in this video's description. Click on the Close button to discard any changes and return to the Debtor Drill-Down Report screen. Click on the Save button to save any changes made and return to the Debtor Drill-Down Report screen. Click on the Open Account button to open the account details screen related to the selected debtor. For more information regarding the account details screen, please refer to the Account Details Overview user manual linked in this video's description. Click on the Close button to discard any changes and return to the Debtor Drill-Down Report screen. Now we will go over the information found under the Summary tab. The Summary tab will give a rundown of the Age Analysis Report, with the outstanding account information displayed as a percentage value according to the age and debtor days outstanding. A brief explanation of the information found in the financial summary would be displayed in the description column. The amount of money which has been paid within the specified time span will be displayed under the balance column. Any amount of money paid by the debtor which exceeds the amount due within a specified time span will display under the overpaid column. The unallocated column will display the amount of money that still needs to be allocated to an invoice. The current column will display the total outstanding amount of funds on the debtor account not older than 30 days. The 30 to 180 days columns will display the outstanding balance on the debtor's account according to the relevant age. The total outstanding balance on the debtor's account between the current age and 180 days will be displayed under the current 180 days column. If the user would like to close the Age Analysis Report screen and return to the dashboard screen, click on the Close button. To download the Age Analysis Report into a CSV format, click on the Download CSV button. If the user would like to generate a new report, click on the New button to open the Generate Report screen. For more information on how to generate a report, please refer to the Age Analysis Report Settings and Parameters user manual linked in this video's description.